உங்கள் காரை சிறந்த தரத்தில் சிறப்பு சலுகையில் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணுமா? உடனே 5K கார் கேருக்கு வாங்க.
Smiley Kiddos Breathing Safety Mask PPE Kit Manufacturers.
That was my first movie. I didn't even know how big Kamal sir was at that time, so it didn't strike me that going to be such a famous movie. The release aana odane da I just had a blast. Cracker scene was a lot of stress to do something like that. The flame was getting really high. And all of that is not CG, it was actually fire.
There was Nijo fire on you.
Yes, that was.
Oh my god. Awish and Mugile, deleted scenes irka?
Actually, they shot 3 endings.
Dhanush sir கூட நீங்க ஒரு படம் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு டாக் இருந்தது.
Yeah, I was supposed to do.
திருப்பியும் நீங்க வந்து படங்கள்ல வந்து நடிக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கா? எந்த ஆக்டர் கூட கொலாபரேட் பண்ணனும் மைண்ட்ல ஏதாவது டக்குனு இப்ப வந்தா சொல்லுங்க.
டக்குனு I'll tell you it's Vijay Sethupathi. I don't even have to think.
Behind It ஓட இந்த கான்வர்சேஷன்ல we have Annie with us. Hi Annie, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. We never know you as Annie, we know you as Bharati.
Yeah, I get that a lot, yes.
Yeah, from Avai Shanmugi. So we saw you as a very small girl and now you're grown up. You're a big girl now, I guess.
Apparently a lady. I'm old now.
உங்களோட film பத்தி நம்ம பேசலாம். So நம்ம அப்படியே ரிவைல் பண்ணி போலாம்.
Okay.
How did Avai Shanmugi happen?
Okay, so I used to do ads when I was a kid. I was shooting for one ad for a Mallu brand. Kala Master was the choreographer there. They had like 50-60 kids and they'd recommended my name to Raj Kamal Studios and it was all a complete fluke actually. That was my first movie. I didn't even understand how a movie was shot, but for me it was like a bunch of ads and I didn't even know how big Kamal sir was at that time, so it didn't strike me that it's going to be such a famous movie. The release aana odane da everything made sense to me, but till the shooting was going on I just had a blast. It was a great time on set. I was the only kid, so I just used to find things to do and keep myself entertained. And that time enakku Tamile purila, I didn't understand and I had grown up in a different kind of lifestyle. Like they would write it in English, so I would just read it out and they'll help me with expressions and things like that. That's why I didn't dub for the movie.
Okay.
That's not my voice.
Okay.
So that's what they all told me. It was about 25 days of shoot.
Okay.
And it was a complete blast.
உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா எல்லா விஷயங்களும் எல்லா சீன்ஸ் எடுத்தமோ எப்படி இதெல்லாம் எல்லாமே ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
I won't say I remember everything. ஒரு 70% ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. There's some like milestones in that shooting that I really enjoyed. For me it's not about what was shown on screen but was happening back end. Like that cracker scene was very exhilarating day aniki to shoot that. It was a lot of fun, but it was also a lot of stress to do something like that. I didn't know how to swim, so that scene when they throw me in the pool, I remember that so well because I think I still have a trauma for water in this. Because I really thought I was drowning and the flame was getting really high. And all of that is not CG, it was actually fire. So I was completely freaking out. So when they threw me in that pool, I don't know if you remember, but it comes in the credits. There were 2 of my supposed bodyguards who act in the movie that come and like rescue me.
Yeah.
And I was freaking out, but all in all, it was a great time.
So the Nijo fire on the Punnan fire kaayapata was Nijo fire on you.
Yes, that was.
Oh my god.
But at that time when you're a kid you feel like this is so exciting. Instead of memorizing lines, we are going to run, we are going to like play, we are going to burst crackers. So that's all was on my mind. I didn't think of it like danger, and of course they took precautions to keep me safe, so it was great.
And உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபேவரட்டான சீன் லைக் நீங்க பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணதுலயே ரொம்ப ஃபேவரட்டான சீன்னா எது சொல்வீங்க? அதுதான் நீங்க இன்வால்வ் ஆகிக்கிற ஒரு சீன் ஆகாம ஒரு சீன் சொல்லுங்க.
So I'm a big fan of comedy in general.
Okay.
So I used to really like the scenes when Kamal sir and Manivanan sir like interact with each other.
Yeah.
So all of that is very like slapstick and it's very in the situation. I really enjoyed. I really like watching that in the movie. Those are my favorite parts. But I think I enjoyed the Ruku Ruku song shooting. It was a lot of fun. There was music. There were so many people on set. That song shooting was a lot of fun for me. Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
Okay, then I put you through this now. What's the most difficult scene you've had while shooting?
There's one scene that they recorded where I'm doing the newscasting, right? I'm that
Yeah,
home
yeah,
video that I made about
yeah,
the
Thiruttu.
thing. Yeah, that was actually shot at 2 in the morning, and I was so sleepy. I couldn't even keep my eyes open. And it was difficult Tamil. It wasn't even like colloquial or just words I can get away with. And I had to like by heart that in the middle of the night. It was very stressful. That with dialogues, that was the issue. Second thing was in that one song where he's feeding me idlis. It
Yeah.
had to like happen fast. So as he was feeding me, there was one flower pot on the side, and I would go and spit everything because I couldn't possibly swallow. If it was idli without chutney, sambar, nothing. So I would just go and spit it in the flower pot and then come back to do the next take if needed. So that those two things I remember that was pretty hectic. It just seemed where எல்லாமே I just had to act and then take will be one or two times where in the camera பாரு இங்க பார்த்துட்டு பேசு that kind of thing. But this was very very stressful for me at like 2 o'clock to learn these dialogues and in the idli சாப்பிடுறது it was a bit tough, but yeah, it was all fun when I think of it. It was all fun.
இது வந்து you will be the right person to answer நினைக்கிறேன். அவேஷ் அன்முகில ஏதாவது deleted scenes இருக்கா?
Actually, they shot 3 endings.
Oh.
If I'm not wrong, it was 3. There was one entire ensemble ending, and there was one more where the family actually knows, like everybody knows, and there's like one revelation. But
Okay.
what they went with was the shortest and most crisp way of like ending the movie, which was half of them knew and half of them didn't know
Yeah.
about who Avashanmugi was, and yeah, that was the ending they finally went with. But other than that, during the movie, I don't remember too many deleted scenes. They worked with precision at that time because to do that makeup and bring all this insane cast on board, I think they had to make the best of the time they had.
Okay, and இன்னும்
Yeah.
நாங்க கேள்விப்பட்டோம் தனுஷ் சாருக்கு வந்து நீங்க தனுஷ் சார் கூட நீங்க ஒரு படம் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு டாக் இருந்தது.
Yeah, I was supposed to do Adakalam. Someone had contacted my mom at that time,
Okay.
and I was leaving to France to do my graduation, the end of my graduation. So I had to go, and I chose that. At that time, I got a French government scholarship, and I was very excited to go to France. So I went ahead with that instead.
Okay, okay. So no regrets about it.
No, not at all. I had a blast over there. I had a great time. And அப்பயே எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது like the film industry, especially as it was before, where there was a very clear path about what a heroine can and cannot do. So that didn't fit with me or my personality. I was a bit of a nerd also at that time. So I just was more into books and college.
So
I had a good time.
ஏன் வந்து அதுக்கு அவேஷ் அன்முகி அப்புறம் நான் எந்த படமும் பண்ணல நீங்க சொன்னீங்க கேமியோஸ் இதுல இருந்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஏன் அதுக்கப்புறம்
Yeah.
why didn't you want to continue with the films?
So at that time when I was younger, my mom was pretty strict. She didn't want me to do movies. By the time I had turned 13, ads பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தேன். But 13 ல இருந்து they started asking for heroine roles, and mom started getting very uncomfortable with that. And I also didn't really have it in me, almost 14, 15 years back to be a heroine. I wasn't in that mind frame at all. So we just left the industry. Appalinda I stopped doing ads itself.
திருப்பியும் நீங்க வந்து படங்கள்ல வந்து நடிக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கா?
I don't have practice also now, so it's been little tough.
Okay.
But I would love to do something that if I'm part of the project, it should be something that I can bring uniquely. And ideally, if it's something where I only have to work towards my character, if it's like 60% Annie already, then it might be easier. I might not be able to do a very serious or character role because that's not me. I'm just genetically I'm just smiling all the time. So I just need to find a spot, maybe like something like a web series or short film that doesn't take me too much away from my work. I think about it for sure.
எந்த ஆக்டர் கூட கொலாபரேட் பண்ணனும் மைண்ட்ல ஏதாவது டக்குனு இப்ப வந்தா சொல்லுங்க.
Takkana, I'll tell you, it's Vijay Sethupathi. I don't even have to think. I'm like, I'm the biggest fan. I think he's so effortlessly who he is, and he mimics someone on screen that, and the character, it becomes him, or vice versa, and that's something. It's so. But like it's a proper character artist,
so
and
real.
but yeah, he's like 90% himself, or he transforms himself to be that person. And whether it's comedy or action or thriller, he's done such a great job. I'm a huge fan.
Okay. Tell us about Waste Solutions Foundation.
In 2017, என்னோட வீட்லயே I was segregating, and I used to call the local Anna who takes all the paper and other waste.
Okay.
So அப்பா when he came home, I was segregating and giving him the waste. அவர் வந்து ரெண்டு piles வச்சுட்டு he's like இது வந்து recycling போகும், இது வந்து நான் குப்பை, like I'm just going to go throw it in the roadside dustbin. I got very stressed at that time. I was like, எதுக்கு, why are you telling like this? I worked hard to segregate it for you. So நீங்க ஏதாவது பண்ணலாம்ல. Then I started exploring more about waste management in Chennai. ரொம்ப research பண்ணிட்டு, அப்போ I was still in a job and I used to work for the Tamil Nadu Police Department through my software company.
Oh.
Then through the government, I got to do a lot of like community engagement programs. While I was working in the police department, we worked on the Kavalan app. We worked on a Tamil Nadu Police Facebook page where women and children can like reach the police like really fast.
Oh.
And the Madri, we try to make it a platform for the public to connect to the police. And we did all of this, and I was up till in the it started brewing. I should do something more with my community. So, a social entrepreneurship, or to enable few communities to work with a overwhelming cause. And the waste, we as just Greater Chennai, we generate almost like 5,500 metric tons of waste per day. Yeah, it's like really bad. And the past 45-50 days, it's reduced because the hotels, IT parks now work and people are working from home. All of these problems to solution, I found. I feel a few creative solutions to help with the bigger cause. The plastic மட்டும் போயிட்டு இருந்தா, it's a different category of waste that ends up in the landfill.
Okay.
In the cigarette butts plastic இருக்கு. Not a lot of people know that. அதுக்கு awareness இல்ல. இந்த multi-layer packaging ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் ப்ராசஸ் பண்றதுக்கு. அது எப்படி ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எப்படி வீட்லயே இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு, if we have to buy outside, what are the right channels to process it and to give Chennai people a taste of how it means to be eco-friendly and to live like one holistic life is what I'm working towards through Wasted.
So இப்போ right now your team is active or அவங்களும் work from home இருக்காங்களா, இல்ல what's happening?
We work with a trust called Arpanam Trust. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு slum clearance board ஓட they take care of in the Perumbakkam OMRல in the housing board community. There are more than 1,400 families over there.
Okay.
So அவங்க கூட we go and give skills and we help them. Wasteல இருந்து எப்படி ரிசோர்ஸா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணலாம், இல்லைன்னா வேஸ்ட் வந்ததுன்னா ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணிட்டு செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணிட்டு வேற ரீசைக்லர்ஸ் தான் அவங்களுக்கு காசு வரும். அந்த மாதிரி we just like help them and with that we want to like create one holistic environment anga. So we are planning to do community gardens, we are planning to help them with solar panels, and it's more அவங்களோட dignity save பண்றது. In the like we want to give them jobs. They for them also it's tough. No, they keep taking charity and they're like they either get comfortable or they start getting embarrassed.
Yeah, true.
So that mindset we want to change and say, okay, here's opportunity for you to work and make money and support your family. You won't be in that of earning 300, 400 rupees a day. Think bigger, think of having an Aadhaar card, an identity, or ability to take a loan. And the Madri one holistic skill development we are doing. We try to
Wow.
help them with their banking and self-help group set up Panona. We help them with that. We want to buy machinery for them. They already have the skill of stitching and tailoring. So
Okay.
அதெல்லாம் எப்படி டெவலப் பண்ணிட்டு how to make them itself train other people in their own community. So ஒரு பெரிய dream-ஓட I've been
Yeah.
working towards this. 1 year I've been working with this community, and I'm very upset about what's happened for the past few months. But we are all in this together, and we have to see that we make real change. இது வந்து successful-ஆ பண்ணிட்டு I want to do it for a year.
Okay.
And I want to replicate it in different housing boards across the city.
Wow, wow.
They need to dream bigger, no? Don't you think so? Just
கண்டிப்பா
work.
கண்டிப்பா எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த ட்ரீம்ஸ் அப்படின்றது தான் நம்மளோட
Yeah.
dream. Everybody should dream and everybody should work on it and everybody should achieve
Correct.
it. இல்லையா?
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, okay,
I will.
so
Yeah.
nice to talk to you. ரொம்ப நான்
Thank
enjoy
you,
பண்ணேன் இந்த
same here.
கான்வர்சேஷனை. லைக் டூ மச் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு.
you.
ஒருத்தங்க இவ்வளோ ஒரு விஷயத்தை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சு வச்சிருக்காங்க, இவ்வளோ விஷயம் பண்ணணும்னு இருக்காங்கன்னா தட்ஸ் லைக் கிரேட் திங். எல்லா சப்போர்ட்டும்
Thank
உங்களுக்கு
you.
வந்து சேருச்சு, எங்களுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஸோ கீப் ரைட்டிங்.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Annie. Had a good time.
Bye.
Bye,
Have
bye.
a good rest of lockdown. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Bye.
உங்கள் காரை சிறந்த தரத்தில் சிறப்பு சலுகையில் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணுமா? உடனே 5K கார் காருக்கு வாங்க.
Smiley Kiddos Breathing Safety Mask PPE Kit Manufacturers.